Hello everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can insert your SD or SIM card to OPPO Find X7. So first, pull a pin right here at the bottom of your phone and now wait for it to click and then you can take it off. Now, place your card right here. And now get your phone back again and try to pull it in. As you can see now, we can turn our phone here. And now our card is working. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.